In this video, we'll walk through what Autoelevate is, why it's being added to your computer, and what you can expect to see once it goes live. Autoelevate is a security tool from Cyberfox that helps protect your device by controlling when administrative permissions are used. In simple terms, it adds a safer process around actions like installing software or running programs that normally require elevated access. The goal is to improve security while keeping disruptions minimal. What happens first? Audit mode. To start, Autoelevate will run in audit mode for about 1 to 2 weeks. During this time, it's learning which applications are commonly used and what elevation requests are happening on each device. You shouldn't notice much during the audit period. After that learning period, Autoelevate will move into live mode. Once that happens, you may occasionally see a pop-up when you try to install certain applications. If you attempt to run something that does not already have an approved rule in place, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to submit a request. After you submit, you may see a countdown timer. This indicates Autoelevate is waiting for real-time approval from an administrator. If the request is approved, you'll receive a message letting you know, and you'll be able to click OK to launch the application right away. If the request is denied, you'll see a message confirming it was not approved. If a decision can't be made within the 4-hour window, Autoelevate will notify you later once a decision is made. In many cases, Autoelevate will already have a rule in place for common tools. When that's true, the application will run normally and you may not see any prompts at all. If your request is time-sensitive or urgent, the best option is to contact our support team so we can help you right away. If you have questions or need help with a request, please reach out to the Connecting Point team.